change. Teach me the kickball change. Teach me the kickball change.
Why learn the kickball change? Even NBA superstar Stephen Curry knows how to do the kickball change. This dance move is a must-learn for everyone. Here we see world champion b-boy Why Not team up with b-boy Kazi to demonstrate world-class top-rocking dance choreography. The kickball change is used throughout this dance video. Whether you're a dance beginner with zero dance experience or someone who's looking to add the kickball change to your dance vocabulary, this dance course is for you. The main reason why my courses are extremely effective is because we use progressive exercise drills so that you could do this move naturally at various tempo. We start with a basic drill, which most people can do immediately. Then we deliberately add minor adjustments to the legs, the arms, and eventually reach our end goal, which is to do the kickball change or top rock effortlessly at dance clubs, house parties, and various social gatherings. My name is Ceech. I will be your instructor for this course. I believe that the kickball change is an essential, fundamental hip-hop dance move that all must master. Feel free to look through the course description, and we look forward to you joining us inside.